thought I should make a video. Um, Hopefully, if I get it working, then I would make a video of it working. But this is just me trying. Okay, I guess I can make a video of this now. I think I fully completed the setup. My buttons are working. There we can see that. I got basically everything is working. This is my wiring, and I use the button metric system right there, and I use the Arduino. I was gonna use the Joy, but couldn't get the firmware. The firmware to upload into the micro, and I just figured this out now for the axis for the collective. For the lift off. My camera skill is bad, but I can do it with one hand, but it's working now. And there was really no code for the, I guess there's a piece and pieces of it, but I created a code that if you wanted to build something like this, you can easily do, because there wasn't really any code. The guys that did the all sensor, they didn't use Arduino IDE, they used Joy. So I had to piece, I pretty much have to piece the Arduino code for the all sensor and the Arduino code for the buttons together, just to make it work together using the IDE. I'm gonna post it out there, maybe you have somebody else, but yeah, all I have to do now is just put it together and go for the game. Alright, so I'm just gonna feed all the wires through this hole. There's a hole right there somewhere. It just goes and it comes out here, so that way I'm probably gonna put my Arduino somewhere in this side over there. Yeah, that's how it's gonna work, so that way everything is tucked in neatly.